Hello guys, I am Arvind and welcome to this session. And in this session, we are going to discuss keywords in C programming. So let's get started. Guys, keywords are also known as reserved words, and keywords are those words whose meaning has already been explained to the C compiler. And keywords cannot be used as a variable names, and there are only 32 keywords available in C programming. So guys, let's go ahead and we'll see the list of 32 keywords available in C programming. Guys, this is the list of available keywords in C programming, and mainly we are going to use integer, float, void, double, long, auto, break, do, while, if, else, static, sizeof, etc. So guys, I hope it is clear to you, and thank you so much guys for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.